You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through the process of withdrawing from your Deriv account. After you deposit and then you place trades and the big profit from the trade you place, you have to withdraw and use the money, okay? So how can you withdraw from your Deriv account? Is very simple. The first thing you have to know is you must have to know that if you deposit through your credit and debit card, that is the process you are going to use in withdrawing. If you deposit through cryptocurrency, then you're going to use cryptocurrency to withdraw. If you deposit using any e-wallet, then you will use that e-wallet to withdraw. So what Deriv does is any channel you use in depositing, the same channel you use in withdrawing. So it's very simple. You can't deposit with credit card and withdraw cryptocurrency. Or you can deposit cryptocurrency and withdraw with credit card. It doesn't work like that, and I like the method as well. This is what you need to know first, and then the next thing you have to do is when you are trading, you see this Traders Hub. You go to Traders Hub, then when you go to Traders Hub, it will open this page for you. Then I go to CFDs. Now, when you are trading on your NT5 accounts, if you're trading Forex, cryptocurrency, indices, and other synthetics, you have to understand that this is where your money will be reflecting on this very financial, okay? Then if the money is reflecting here, then you have to transfer the money from here into your main account. Your main account is the one that shows at this very area if you go to your dashboard. And all you need to do for that to happen, so all the money you are making when you are trading is reflecting in this your account. So you can just do a simple transfer right here by clicking on the transfer button. When you click that transfer, the money will now go right into your account for withdrawal. That means you can withdraw directly from this account. Rather, you withdraw from this account into your Deriv main account, still on the same platform, and then you go over to cashier. So if you go to cashier here, you see deposit and then withdraw. You see withdraw, then I'll click on withdraw. What Deriv does is it will allow you to send a message to your email to verify that you are the real person requesting for this withdrawal. So let's say, for instance, in this case, I will just go here and send this email to my mail, okay? Then once that is done, I have to go back to my mail and click on the link, and it will redirect me to this very platform. Once that is done, I can continue with my withdrawal process. If you look at it here, the mail is already here, so I have to click on it, and then I'll follow through the link, say yes, it is me, okay? Deriv want to be sure that you are the one requesting for this withdrawal. So once I get into this very area on my Deriv platform through the link, it will bring up this very option for me to withdraw. Why is it bring up this option directly for me? Because my deposit option was TRC20 USDT, okay? So all I need to do now is to go to my Trust Wallet or my Binance or any platform I want to withdraw the money to and copy TRC20 USDT wallet. So I will copy the wallet address and paste here. This is your USDT wallet address. I paste it here, and then I put the amount of USDT here, and it will reflect in dollars equivalent. And then this withdraw button will be active. I will just withdraw, and that's all. It's as simple as ABCD. So this is all you need to do to withdraw after you make your money. So this is how you can withdraw from your Deriv. Please leave a like for this video and help subscribe to the channel.